Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Umrupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
Go William Carey University hakar photrik unai wi arajar phosau klapen long a national seminar halokapang recent trends in science and technology a part to Vikshit Bharat at 2047. Yekeni ga jinga thernya ka arts ngi laplipat ba ke join skatri jikatna personal and administrative reform cell ka kong Anita Kharpor ka blalong ka kong san hagabalasa khilang ka vice chancellor chung university ka professor Soma Bhauming Registrar Dr. P.G.J. Richard, Dean of the School of Sciences, Professor Dr. Maitreyi Roy, Dr. David Kumar Deb, Samla Puli, Changa School Ba.
Great value to our seminar, and we are eager to hear your insight on how science and technology can contribute to India's growth. I also thank our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Soma Bhauming for her strong leadership and continued support. We are grateful for your presence, which encouraged and inspired us all to achieve academic excellence. We are also honored to have our distinguished keynote speaker, Professor H. J. Simble from the Department of Geography, Northeast Hill University, Shillong. His expertise in the field will provide valuable insights into the latest trends in science and technology. We look forward to his address and the new ideas he will share with us. The theme of our seminar, the recent trends in science and technology, a part to Vikshit Bharat at 2047 is both timely and significant. As India works towards becoming a global leader in science and technology in the next few decades, we need to explore how these advancements can help us achieve the goal of a developed and self-sufficient India by 2047. Over the next 2 days, we will discuss these trends, look at strategic initiatives, build collaborations, and come up with actionable plans to help us achieve this vision. Science and technology are advancing rapidly, and we are witnessing breakthroughs in fields like artificial intelligence, biotechnology, renewable energy, space explorations, etc. This development are changing industries, improving healthcare, making education and agriculture more efficient. I encourage all delegates, researchers, students, faculty members to actively participate in the discussion, share your ideas, and work together to find solutions that will help India lead in these fields.
Recent trends in science and technology for Vikshit Bharat 2047. By 2047, India is going to attain its 100th year of independence. Now, this Vikshit Bharat mission was launched by our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, on 11th of December 2023. This vision is in connection with the Development Mission, which was set by him in 2014. So, in 2014, the Sustainable Development had 14 thumb rules for development. Now, based on that, the Vikshit Bharat, in last December 2023, it has been formed with 4 major pillars. Now, what are the 4 major pillars? These 4 pillars are very, very important for India, for its development, for the vision and the goal the Prime Minister, Honorable Narendra Modi had. The 4 pillars are youth. Then we have the Garib or the poor, Mahilaye, the woman. And I see here, you know, the women, they are doing so extremely well. And I'm honored more because Madam Anita, with so much of, you know, effort and whatever she is doing, she's setting an example to us. And the 4th one is Annadata. Annadata is the farmers. Now I stand here, we have got very important topics on science and technology and youth. Youth is very important. Youth means you all students. You all are the pillars of the nation. So please try to follow what is there in the seminar and try to implement so that in later years of our life we don't have difficulties. So this cannot be the vision of India. Economically, India has risen. It has come to the 5th level. By this year, they say we are going to be the 3rd nation. By 2047, they want to be the leading nation. But it should not be just the economy. It should be the other aspects we should come in. So please, my request to all the younger generations here or the Yuva, what we call, please put your hands together and let's make our nation a developed nation, truly developed. Technologically, if we develop, that is not development only. We need development now in other aspects also. So that, you know, the climatic changes which is coming, that also is taken under control.
Science and technology, as we have all seen, has played an important role in each one of our lives. Being from the government sector, let me focus on the government sector, how science and technology has enhanced the public service delivery mechanism. With the introduction of the various or the latest technological advancement, technological tools that are there, public service delivery mechanism of the government is all its part to ensure accountability, transparency, and the best public service delivery mechanism that each and every citizen of the country expects. Before the coming of technology, things were quite different. Perhaps it was on a slower pace. When we look at the most basic thing, awareness, looking at the various service delivery progression through technology in our state, though it is at its nascent state, but it's progressing. The government has attempted and is successful to ensure that service delivery reaches to the last mile, which is the most important thing. The cutting edge, the most remotest area, service delivery reaches that point. with the advancement of technology. Technology has cut across all service delivery departments or areas. You talk about health services, you talk about rural development, you talk about urban development, you talk about education, you talk about revenue, you talk about anything. Technology has, has laid its hands, and the people are getting the service. As I said, it's in progression. It's in progression. And to ensure that we reach the vision of Viksit Bharat, we need the collaboration of both the government sector and also each and every stakeholder. We envision to have a real-time service delivery mechanism that with a click of a button, services delivered. In our state, the government has implemented various services which mandates timely disposal. Of course, it's yet to reach the real time. We still have services being provided with, with the limited time of 3 days, of 1 week, of 1 month, depending on the kind of service. You need your certificates, your scheduled track certificates, your PRCs and all that. There are timelines. Your driving license, timelines. And we hope with the advancement of technology, it will be real time. At a click of button, you get your certificates. But we can achieve that with, working together, where all stakeholders join hands and make sure that the service delivery is given proper. Yes, our state is challenged with, its topographical location, with the borders, with many other issues where connectivity is a challenge. The technological front in our state, if we compare with the rest of the country or the rest of the world, we have a long way to go. But I'm sure the students, the youth are here, will take up upon them. And I'm sure that they come up with, real, workable, sustainable innovations.
Good at a time, but then I felt there's also something which we need to ponder a lot with. Because 2047 is not so yet. Whatever has been written in the document of Viksit Bharat is highly ambitious. But taking into consideration the diversity of the country, I really do not know whether we can reach our goals with satisfaction. Yes, of course, we have seen so many, developments in the past few years. Things have gone to a certain extent beyond our capacity to cope even. For people like our generation, where we're not even used to the Android mobile, it becomes very difficult for us at times. Of course, some of us do have the knack of getting into it and knowing many things from there. But then, probably for us, and for me personally, at this point of time, I think I have not been able to use the potential of my Android mobile to the maximum. Of course, likes and dislikes are there in the Android mobile. That is part of the progress that we have made. The research and development that has undergone into it, plus the other add-ins and add-ons into that, the apps, so many things which are there, which in the 1970s we never expected. I can just recall one small story. My father, is a very, what should I say, a person who receives a lot of, who is very much interested in technology and things like that. And I still remember him telling about the video camera. When I was young, he wanted to get a video camera, but it was too costly to buy. Video camera at that point of time with its bulkiness would cost not less than a lakh. Way back in the 70s, it's not imaginable to buy a video camera and spend 1 lakh on it. Unless you have some a spoiled brat where you can spend it. But today, what is there? An Android mobile which is just 20 to 30,000 is there. You have everything there. You have the basic things like a torch. And you have the advanced things like a video camera over there. You have a camera which has a timer. And you have it all in digital. Which in the 1970s we had to think of taking a short processing, it will take months for processing, and then by the time you see everything is, that charm is gone. But today, you record it now, you see it now, you send it now. These are the kind of developments that we have seen in the past few years, rather 20 to 30 years, where it has made our life much more interesting, I would say.